All right. Without further ado, greetings to all my pre-K kiddos. It's Mr. Davis here, back with another exciting math lesson. All right. I can't wait to see how much we grow our brains today. So without further ado, we'll get started. All right. Let me go to full screen. 1 second. Sending some shine to my lovely computer today. All right. Before we get started, I'd like to shout out Smart Notebook for our lesson today. All right. So for our warm-up, what we're going to do, just like yesterday, is we're going to plant some seeds. All right. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to plant my first seed right here. So let's see, we have one seed. All right. Now that we have one seed, we're going to go and we're going to plant one more seed. Watch me. So we had one seed, but when we added one more, it gave us 2 seeds. So we now have 2 seeds. All right. So we have 2 seeds, but I'm going to keep going and I'm going to plant one more seed. Watch me. All right. So we had 2 seeds, but when we added one more, it gave us 1, 2, 3 seeds. Wow. I'm noticing a pattern here, kiddos. Let's keep going since we're doing so well. And we're going to add one more seed, because why not? So we have 3 seeds, and we're going to add one more. Watch me. Wow. So we had 3 seeds, but when we added one more, it gave us 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds. Wow. So we now have 4 seeds, and we're going to add one more seed. Watch me. All right. So we had 4 seeds, and we just added one more. I want my superstar teammates to touch and count each seed and tell me how many seeds we have now. I'm going to give you some time. All right. If you guess 5 seeds, I want you to flex a strong muscle. All right. So yes, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds. But when we added that extra seed, so that one more, it gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Amazing. I think we're done with adding seeds. And I think we're ready for our math lesson. So let's get this party started. All right. So for our math lesson, we're going to count up. And we're going to find out what comes after. All right. So here, I'm going to play a game called What Comes After. Look at my number tower. I see 1, 2, 3 cubes. All right, so now I'm going to add one more. So we start at 3, and I'm going to add one more. And now I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So that means 4 comes after 3. Wow, amazing. All right, teammates, look at my tower now. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. I'm going to add one more Now, I notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, teammates. I'm noticing something special. So 5 comes after 4. Now, I wonder if my superstar teammates are ready for the next one. All right, so my superstar teammates, we're trying to go on our math brains. All right, so my question for you is, how many cubes are in the tower? So I want you to touch and count my cubes in this tower right here. I'll give you a second. Wow, super quick, kiddos. Great job. If you said 2 cubes, I want you to kiss your brains. All right, so smart. Because we have 1, 2 cubes. So now, my question for my superstar teammates is, what comes after 2? What comes after 2 cubes? I'm gonna give my teammates some time to think about it and shout the answer. Whoa! If you guessed 3, I want you to flex 2 strong muscles. All right, let's check. So I see we have 1, 2 cubes, and we're gonna check to make sure 3 comes after 2. So to check, we're just gonna add 1 more to see what comes next. So I see we have 1, 2, 3 cubes. Wow, cannot trick my superstar teammates. So we know that 3 comes after 2. And just for the giggles, I wonder, looking at this, if my teammates could tell me what comes after 1. So we have 1 cube right here. What would come after 1? If you said 2, I want you to hit a nice little dab for me. Hold it while I take a pic. All right. So we said 2. Let's check. We add 1 more. Let's see, you have 1, 2 cubes. Wow. So 2 comes after 1. All right. Sending my teammates some shine for a great math lesson today. We've grown our brains this much. So for that, I'm gonna send you some more shine. Come to this love sitting shine. All right, teammates. I can't wait to see what comes next for our next math lesson. Until then, I hope you continue growing your brains during your sessions. Bye, kiddos.